Over the past several years, estate tax rules have changed dramatically. Yet one of the most common things we hear today is estate taxes really aren't an issue anymore. Yeah, on the surface, that makes sense. With the federal tax exemption for estate taxes sitting around $15 million per person, it feels like that problem's gone away. Most people don't have $15 million, and most couples don't have $30 million. But here's the truth. Estate planning risk didn't disappear. It just got a little quieter, and it got a little more deceptive. I'm Steve Martin, Managing Partner and Wealth Strategist here at SRQ Wealth, where we help families simplify their financial lives and find their freedom. Today, I want to walk through these 3 practical things that families should be thinking about as the estate tax landscape continues to evolve. Right now, as we said, you can pass about $15 million per person or $30 million per married couple. And that's without any federal estate tax. That's historically very high. But here's the part people just gloss over. This exemption is scheduled to drop in coming years unless the laws change. And we know laws always change. And even if it doesn't, your balance sheet, it doesn't sit still. Don't plan based on where you are today. Plan on where you're going. Plan on where your portfolio is headed. A growing estate can quietly walk you back into the estate tax territory a lot faster than people expect. Higher exemptions have also created a nice window, and a really good one. We're seeing families take advantage of it through things like strategic lifetime gifting, interesting trust structures that actually move assets efficiently, and charitable planning that really aligns the dollars with a purpose. Done right, it isn't about just giving it away. It's about being intentional with where it goes. The best plans aren't just reactive, they're timed. And right now, the rules are very favorable. The question is, are you using them? Or are you just watching them? Taxes get all the headlines, but they're rarely the real issue. As we discussed, people with more than $30 million, yeah, they need to worry about estate taxes. But other people, it's not taxes that are the main issue. They need to think about what really matters. Are your kids prepared? Will this wealth create an opportunity, or will it create a dependency? And this is a big one. Will the values that you have that created the wealth carry forward? We've seen plenty of families save money on taxes, but they miss the bigger picture. A good estate plan isn't one that just transfers assets. A great estate plan, it creates wisdom, purpose, and direction for your whole family. Estate planning just isn't about chasing tax laws. It's about creating the clarity so your wealth does exactly what you want to do long after you're gone. Estate planning isn't about chasing tax laws. It's about creating clarity so your wealth does exactly what you want it to do long after you're gone. If these things are things you've been meaning to think about but haven't quite got around to it, we should talk. I'm Steve Martin, and you've just taken your next step on your journey to true wealth. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. Your legacy isn't what you leave to people, it's what you leave in them. Hey, we'll see you next time. God bless.